1776, the ink was dry on the page. A quarter millennium later, we're still locked in the cage. Born from the blood, all the red coats and the dust of the trail. 250 winners, and the engine is off the trail. They built a house on the graveyard, painted it red, white, and blue. Now the paint is peeling off, exposing what they knew. Outlaw spirits in the static ghost of the frontier lines, counting down the centuries on the hands of stolen time. 250 years of shadow and bone.
The empire crumbles on a marble throne. Let the iron bells ring. The stars are bleeding out. The stripes are torn away. Welcome to the dawn, to the final jubilee.
A nation forging fire, whiskey in the glass, a country caught on a wire. From the Appalachian Ridge to the neon desert heat, the outlaws keep running to the heavy metal beat. We traded to horses for iron, the muskets for automatic lead. Walking through the shadows of the living and the dead. A quarter of 1,000 years, the dead is coming due. The phantom of the republic is looking straight at you.
Butterflies with broken wings across a stormy sky. We watch the grand experience wither up and die.
But underneath the ashes, the roots run deep and old. A story written in the dark that has never been told. Too fast!